Hi, this is Ken Peters at mysterydecoders.com. And today I would like to share with you some new sun videos I downloaded from the NASA website and provide a quick summary of the cover-up by NASA, and with a short briefing of the problems we noticed on the NASA images. I was very concerned when I saw this sun image. What are the white objects near our sun? Is it a huge explosion? How long did it last? Well, I spent the last several days searching for clues, but that was the only image I could find. Well, till now. I just downloaded another image. This one is at 2:12:16 at a time of 13.09.15, 20 seconds before the one I posted in my earlier video. Look at these two. What happened? Will this affect us on Earth? If you know, please do share with us. And now look at this image in the video downloaded 2/19/2016 from NASA. I am sure you are as concerned as I am on these unusual sun activities. Please note that these activities happened on 2/9/2016, and right after NASA took down the edited images and replaced them with new images. Look carefully. You can see starting the 2/9/16, 9:49 a.m., 11:49 till 12:19 on that day, our sun changed color. And it lasted at least 2.5 hours. What happened? What caused it? Now, let's look at these two videos side by side. The one on the left was downloaded 2/18/2016 for the period of 2/6 to 2/9. And the one on the right is the same period but downloaded on 2/9/2016. When you compare these two, you'll notice a small object at the 8 o'clock position on the left video. But on the right video, it disappeared after 2/7/2016. When you look at the 2/7/16 images of the 2/9/16 downloaded video, you will see a clear trace of photo editing. So why did NASA try to hide the object? Is this the Nibiru? Planet X we expected to show up? Then when I downloaded the NASA images on 2/12, I was in for an even bigger surprise. NASA again switched images and the object reappeared on 2/10/16. Look at these two videos. The left one was downloaded 2/12, and the one on the right was downloaded on 2/19/2016. Isn't that strange? NASA tried to hide it on 2/7, then put it back and tried to hide it on 2/10, then put it back and it disappeared on 2/15/2016. If you try to download from NASA now, you may get the same result as shown. Look for the image on 2/11/16, 154 is shown on the middle. You can see a trace of photo editing and disappearance of the object. But if you look at the one before and the one after, you will see both are still there. To me, this looks more like sloppy work. I'm sorry to say, but anyone with about 5 hours of Photoshop training can do better than that. And the object always disappears or reappears at midnight. Look at the downloaded timestamp. So what is so secret? Or for that matter, what is so concerning that NASA feels they have to cover it up? When I observed the solar activities, I also noticed a flyby object from 1:15 to 1:21:16. And based on its speed and size, I estimated the arrival date to be around 107 days if heading to Earth. However, I noticed another flying object near our Sun from 2:15 to 2:19. 2016. This one is a little smaller, but also flew very close to the Sun at the same speed, but in the opposite direction as the 1:15/2016 object. This kind of broke the Planet X assumption. But what is it? Before we jump to any conclusions, let's take a look at this video from March 2012. The Telescope Solar Dynamics Observatory caught the presence of a spherical dark object near the Sun that seems to be absorbing energy from the Sun. This had never been seen. Knowing the distance of the object from the solar surface, it must be enormous. Probably bigger than our planet. Observe closely. The dark sphere stayed near the Sun for over 80 hours. When it moved away, it caused a great turbulence in the solar atmosphere that shaked for more than 5 hours. This proves that the unknown object is there. The image is located in the original files of NASA's image system, HelioViewer. We could confirm that this black sphere actually appears in the shots. Since March 8, 2012 at 1400 hours Universal Time, when it starts to be visible, it comes closer and we can clearly see that it comes from an area outside the Sun. While coming closer to track strands of energy from the solar surface. It stayed there until March 11th. On this date, it started to disappear at approximately 0.15 hours. It started to move away. Watch how it closes turbulence in the solar atmosphere. The fire flares moved for almost 6 hours due to the object's presence. Controllers of the Space Telescope were confused and tried to explain this unprecedented event. There are no backgrounds of something similar to this. There are no records of an unusual object that seems to be absorbing solar energy. The Solar Dynamics Observatory that caught this video is the last solar space telescope that NASA launched on February 11th, 2010. I believe the March 2012 video showed a UFO refueling using our Sun's energy. This led me to believe the other two flyby objects may also just be passing by us. Will they be hostile? Do they mean to harm us? I don't know. But maybe NASA knows. Maybe that is why NASA edited the photos. Remember, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. And today is a gift. That is why we call it the present. Thanks for watching.